As today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your market screens app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on push notifications. When you just click here on push notifications, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click down, you keep going down here, you come here to quiz progress updates, clicking this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's called, that's mean here quiz progress updates disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.